Travis was put on and still took the L. Travis.
I wasn't even here. I just grabbed it.
Stupid ass. Alright.
Nah, this shit has.
Flip it.
It's the Henny.
Travis is laced.
Be honest.
Hold up. Yeah, like it.
Like
Yeah, like it. Wait, where you placing? Last part was
It's not bad. But if I was to be honest about this pizza, so I'm gonna be 100% honest. My shit tastes like it got no sauce on it. This shit just tastes like cheesy bread. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. Go ahead, do you think?
Look, there's a clutch up right here. Look.
You got a bullet hole in here. You following us? We here again. Alright, Corey. Thoughts?
It ain't that good, it's just cheese.
That's what I said. It just tastes like cheesy bread in slice form.
Cheesy bread from Domino's is better than I'm lying. Pizza from the new pizza from Caesars. I had that shit in a minute. I think you didn't have it in a minute neither, right?
Nope. Never had it.
You can't say that though. You can't say that though.
Never had it.
You had the new pizza today.
I had talked this up because it was years ago, but after having them other two spots, it is just mad cheese.
3.5 is better than this. It's clearly better than the last place you just came from. Case I think so.
What the fuck? Hold on my phone real quick. I didn't get my bag.
It was just straight cheese. Nah, the last place was better. Last place clearly
Is
better.
the last place and this place combined?
Alright, what you rating it?
Oh, it's getting 2 for me.
3.5 for me.
He likes. Alright, so for me, you know the only one that actually matters, let's be real. For Will Smith, Deontay Wilder, let's just put a bunch of celebrities on the screen. I don't care who you put, just pop them up. Keep popping up. It's a party. We are here. Listen, Prince Montana was here. Listen, this is not no fucking. This is alright pizza. I'm just saying. I seen his picture. I'm just going off what I remember. I don't care. This is not no champion pizza. It's not. They did not knock me out.
It's the first round pizza.
Exactly. This shit is not. This is like runner up. This shit's dog shit. So I'm gonna give this a. What do you give it? Cause the cheese is good.
The cheese is good.
The crust was good. With no sauce. There was no sauce. I wish I could show you how much no sauce there was. But I'm gonna give it a 3. I'm gonna give it a 3. 3. We'll give it a 3. 3. 3.
First place.
We still debating this. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.